Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing the 24-hour handcuff together challenge. Ow! You're twisting me. You're twisting me, girl. No, don't. I'm not. I want to stay. No, I want to stay. Oh, I'm holding them. If you cut this, I'm holding them wrong. Guys,
I feel like it's gonna come at me.
this is like a two-hand strength job.
Yeah, give it to the real man.
Lucas.
This is fun. Let me do it.
Help though.
Help.
Oh, I have.
You're stabbing me.
Good. I have these at home.
Okay.
No way.
Everyone knows.
Yeah. But
Don't cut her sweatshirt.
Oh my god. And learn how to trip out.
Hey.
Why don't you put that
down, darling, so we can be alone now. You put that.
It's just big meat. It's getting sticky, sticky. It's getting sticky, sticky. It's getting sticky.
You can pause the video now. Oh! Feel, look. You can pause the video.
Why don't you put that phone